So today with another video, I'll show you how to create this transition between two videos using moving objects. So let's create a new project on Premiere Pro 2018. You can use any version you want. So just name it transition and click OK. Now let's import our true video. Just double click here. Sorry. So I'm using this true video. I will just select the two of them and put it here. So let's just put in the first one. So the first thing you must know to create this transition is that the moving object or the object that move we are using, like, it must be fit the frame. What does mean? It mean that it fits the frame from the top to the bottom. Okay, now you see, for example, I'm using this man here. You see, come from here to here. So at first here it doesn't fit here the frame. So what I'm doing, just I will zoom in it a little bit, just change the anchor point here. You see, and now it fits the frame. Let's verify. First frame. Okay, here's the first frame and it fits all that. And now what we are doing, now we go to the effects control. If you don't have effects control, go to window and select effects control. Okay, and you select the video you are using and go to here, select this pen tool and go to create the first mask here. Okay, so let's zoom this. Okay, and like this, create here. Sorry. Okay, this is our first mask. So what we are going to do is create this inverted here, and just now let's do the keyframe. To do this, just moving this first here, selected mask forward from one frame. Okay, if we do this, you see it will create the keyframe. You see the before keyframe and the next keyframe. Okay, now we go and just remove and select just move this one here. And we move to the next one here. We can also choose this, you see, to work also. So you can just like this and you play with. I will not show you all the steps, so I will show you one other thing to do for this. I'll show you a shortcut for this to help you work. So move to the next frame. So you see me here, I'm using the keyboard. I'm not using here for the scale for the monitor to fit, or I'm using just the keyboard. And also to zoom this one, I'm using also the scope, or I'm using F1, but I have changed it. So to change, and you do this, I will show you. So just click Ctrl Alt and K, or just by going to edit and like you see here, keyboard shortcut. Now the first thing we will do this here to change to fit or to 50 or 20%. So to do that, just go here and go to zoom, click zoom and search and scroll down. Now you see here source monitor panel, and you see here in I have chosen from the keyboard plus in the where there is the numbers, and here to monitor choosing minus, and here 0. To do this very simple, just I'll show you. Now delete this, just click here and select plus, and after that you do all this, select OK. And if we go to if we select here the monitor and you click plus, you see a minus or plus, hit zoom or zoom in or zoom out. Okay, I have forgot to zoom this monitor. To zoom here, do the same keyboard shortcut, and you go to here and write maximize. Here you see the maximize toggle maximize monitor, and here I'm choosing F1. Okay, it just work for the monitor. Okay, and if for example you are in zoom and you want to move, you just click H for the hand and we can move. You see, we can move like we want. So I'm working with this also, so I will just, and if we want to add here here and like I said, H, and I'm using just the key the shortcut, so H for the hand, V for the cursor. Okay, H, V. If you learn to use the keyboard, it give you so much times. Okay, I want to delete this to here, not just to start from here. So what I'm doing, you see it starts at the bug here start to show, so I'll cut this from here. So now you see this bug that I'm talking about. I want to I'm using a little bit sand that is difficult to work with, but it's okay. Sorry for the sorry. So I will make it very fast because it takes time. I haven't done this before for that I don't want to make it again because it takes time. Okay. So here, I haven't said this before, I just remember to tell you that when you have this mask and you move to the next frame, you have this hand wherever you are here, the cursor, wherever you move to the mask, you have this hand. What is this hand to do is make you to move the mask. It's very important. Here I'm just moving this, you see, and you see to wherever you want to make it easy for you to change it. Okay. First you don't need it, but after that you need it. Okay, you see, and click next frame and I move it like this. Now I have finished all the mask, so just click F1 to go to here and 0 to make it fit. So now we have finished all this. What we'll do, just very simple, just drag this to here, and now we put this here. Okay, just one thing, so when it starts here the frame, sorry, you see here the mask at the beginning, so we will just here, we will cut this here, click here and go to the first video here, not delete the mask here, and you see, let's see what we have got so far. And voila. Let's cancel this. Boom. That's all for today, my friend. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel.